Selamat datang ke episod Borak Gadget terbaru. Nama saya Jason Smashpop. Dalam episod ini, kita tidak akan memborak gadget di bilik ataupun studio saya ini. Kenapa? Sebab kita ada lawatan sambil belajar. Oh, okey. Tapi ke mana? Nanti kita akan tengok, okey. Bas dah sampai. Okey, masa untuk pergi dah. See you. Okey, dah sampai pun saya kat syarikat V-Series ini untuk menerokai gadget yang luar biasa. Gadget apa ya? Gadget yang kita gunakan semasa waktu-waktu PKP ini, okey? Jom. Okey, tahukah anda teknologi yang digunakan oleh V-Series International ni adalah diedarkan oleh WPI Group. Siapakah WPI Group? Mereka juga menyediakan penyelesaian Intel, MRS dan juga RRK. Tanyalah pula apakah benda tu? Kliklah pautan di bawah video. Mr. Stone, good morning.
Good morning.
So just now when I was entering your office, right, I went through this thermal scanning process with this Changi machine. So it's actually quite interesting because I don't even have to touch the screen and it's all done. So I'm sure it's one of your products, right?
Yes.
Yeah, but before that, can you tell me a little bit about V-Series International?
V-Series is founded in 1999. We are world-class platform solution manufacturer providing end-to-end AI solution to the market. We also wish to use our technology to enhance community lifestyle to achieve smart community, smart city and smart nation.
Now that you know about your company, right, can you cerita us a bit? Just now the machine when I come in, the one that I use, what is it about?
Yeah, this is our new product. It is actually a smart community AI kiosk. We have two versions. One is Mini 2, one is Mini 3. So the device mainly is actually to provide contactless temperature scanning and face recognition to actually ease the whole registration process before you enter to any premises.
Okay, so what is the role of V-Series in bringing this solution to the market?
V-Series has been manufactured for many years. We actually design and manufacture this solution in-house.
Oh.
Yeah. So everything is done by our in-house engineers. Concept is actually to do a solution to help the local reseller, giving them more business. Another concept is actually to help the local manufacturer so that they can continue their business even after the MCO. And at the same time, it can actually help the retailers to have a safer environments for working.
So that they can ensure everyone who comes in are safe.
Definitely.
So just now you mentioned about smart community AI kiosk, right? So what is it about? Why so junky the name?
Actually, it's artificial intelligence kiosk
Okay.
to actually bring this solution to the community and make them smarter. Right now, we have this Mini 2 and Mini 3. Okay.
So what is this Mini 2 about?
So during MCO, everyone very free. We work from home, so we actually started this project.
So from home also you can build machine.
Oh, definitely.
Okay.
So this is entry level of the product. So it actually come with a smaller screen, 10.1 inch, QR code scanner, thermal scanner, cameras, and also automatic hand sanitizers. So this is using a totally imaging technology.
Imaging,
Yeah.
This it uses the camera on the device.
Using the thermal imaging device.
Thermal imaging
Yes.
device.
So you actually image the whole thing up.
So there's also a Mini 3.
Oh yes.
Which is already out, is it?
Yeah, Mini 3 is launched now.
Okay, so I'm actually very interested in new technology lah.
Yeah.
So I'm interested in the new Mini 3. Can you tell me more about the technology?
Okay, from the experience of Mini 2, we now make a Mini 3 that is more powerful. This Mini 3 is actually powered by Intel, and we are utilizing Intel technology for the OpenVINO and vPro technology. This is a very advanced system where we are using an array microphone. These are all built for the purpose of AI.
So when you say AI means the computer would think by itself?
Yes, that means it can see, it can smell,
Wow.
it can stop. Yeah.
Can smell also?
Yes. We are planning to call it Kawamu.
Oh really?
Yeah, but we did not put in the features now because the purpose of the kiosk for today is mainly for the temperature scanning and registration
So
process.
those things are in the future lah.
Yeah.
Actually now if you go out to shops or restaurant, already got people taking your temperature, taking your data. So why do we need this machine?
Okay, actually there are a lot of requests from our customers before we even started the project. Actually they need to put their stuff in front scanning the customer's temperature. So this solution is actually providing a contactless and quick process.
So we don't have to like bend down, write in the book, don't have to do like that,
Yes.
wait for the gun to shoot the head, like that. lah.
You look at the kiosk. The kiosk is actually come with surrounded with LED screen and also with a very good sound system. When you walk to the kiosk, if you are green, you did it and show green. The shop retail cashier, they hear "Dot."
Oh,
Then-
yeah. Means this fella cannot
Then
move.
you have to stop the fella. Most important thing is the indicator, the light.
Indicator, the
Yes,
sound and
the
the
sound and the light.
So imagine I am one of the vendor lah, okay?
Yeah.
I am a restaurant Smashbox.
Yeah.
Okay, then I come to you, Mr. Stone, I want to have this system in my restaurant. How to install I don't know.
Very straightforward. Okay, you just take the unit, you place it there, turn on the power,
Turn on power,
then connect to the internet.
connect to internet.
That's it. Yeah. Then we provide a cloud system for you.
Okay.
So we provide you a login username and password. So you can just log in anywhere you like to look at the reports and to download the reports.
So I'm asking on behalf of all the vendor that is going to install this system, Mr.
Yeah.
Stone. So now that I have this system and then there's no more pandemic,
Yeah.
then what can I use this system for? It's like, oh yeah, put there, then now for what?
So before we design the system, we already think of this future-proof design. You can actually transform, our customers can transform the kiosk into smart queuing system, the one that like you use in bank. Right.
Oh,
Yeah.
satu, dua,
Yeah.
counter, 8.
Yes.
Like that lah.
So
Okay.
they can just transform into that. Visitor registration system, smart wayfinder solutions, smart attendance system, self-ordering system, AI concierge kiosk, and also smart feedback system.
So Mr. Stone, this machine is like so canggih, right? Do we even need someone from the restaurant or the shop to actually operate this system?
Everything automatically and running on the AI system.
I see. So just plug and play and then it will just do by itself.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that also means that like vendors they don't have to be afraid that they will breach the SOP lah.
Definitely.
Confirm
Yeah.
no breach because the system is there.
Confirm no breach.
Just want to ask you, any last message to share?
Yeah, I want to touch a little bit on cloud system
Cloud
and
system.
also the software. The whole thing is actually sponsored by Kawanmu. Yeah,
That's my friend. How you know my friend?
yeah, it's your friend. Okay, so Kawanmu is actually a community company,
Okay.
100% owned by V Series. So the purpose of this company is actually to do community services using technology, especially the AI technology, and to make the community more smarter. And after the smart community, we can become a smart city and smart nation.
Wow,
Yeah.
it's a big vision.
Yes. So Kawamu, we have a lot of projects in coming months and coming years to help a lot of people, like example the retailers, the single mother, the refugees, and so on, using the technology way.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Stone. I've got all the information I need. I'm sure the viewers are very, very excited about this
Sure.
machine. Okay, hope to see you again.
Alright.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Dah balik pun ke studio. Sekarang kita semua sudah pun tahu macam mana teknologi di belakang pengimbas suhu yang kita nampak di zaman-zaman ataupun di musim-musim PKP sekarang. Okey.